So we had a little windstorm come through here yesterday. We had some damage here in our tree, but let's go around the neighborhood. So this looks like a problem. We have this power pole leaning. The top of this pine trees broke off. There's a ton of trees down in our park over here. Here we have a pine tree in rubbles in the middle of the road. The tree went down here. I think there was a fire right here at this part. Here's a park real close to our house. And let's go see how many trees are down. Look at these roots. These trees, look how big this tree is. There's my foot. This is no small tree. This tree is probably 50, 100 years old. How does it just blow down like this? These trees were topped off here. This is an elementary school playground right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Starting to cut up some wood. Here's one tree. You know, if you can see how many rings are in here. Alright, so what makes these trees fall down like this? Gotta be more than just wind. Did wind do this? We're in eastern Washington. We don't get hurricanes here. We don't get tornadoes here. Look, I found LeeAnn taking a break, so you see how big this tree is compared to LeeAnn. That's not a young tree that just fell. We have more streets closed. You can zoom in here. See, there's power lines right there on the ground. Alright, close to my house again. Storm damage. These are not supposed to be this close to the ground here. The street's closed. Look at all these pine trees we have in our neighborhood. This tree is seriously leaning. Post your comments below. And post your theories on why these old 50, 100-year-old pine trees are falling down like this. There's a carport that didn't have a chance. And here's a huge root ball that came up. And right up here is another snap tree. Power line's running right there.